In this video, we're going to take a look at the 5 coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying. These are all products that I have personally used and can recommend to you. Number 1. SenseGlove Nova VR. Get the sensation that digital objects in your hand are real with the SenseGlove Nova VR glove. With force feedback, it emits 20 newtons of resistance within 10 ms, creating the feeling that objects are really in your hand. Feel the equivalent to the weight of a 2 kilograms brick. This allows you to feel what it's like to pick up and hold a variety of objects. You can also turn them around and lift them up and down to gauge their size, shape, and texture. As a result, it's suitable for VR training. Moreover, the SenseGlove Nova VR glove features advanced voice coil actuated technology, allowing it to render the feeling of realistic button clicks and impact simulations. Finally, it also combines sensor-based finger tracking with computer vision hand tracking algorithms. Get it for $5,000. Number 2. MetMo Driver. Providing more than just a tool, the MetMo Driver compact height driver is also a fidget toy. Delivering a satisfying drive experience, it's an upgrade on the often used screwdriver. A powerful tool that's fun to use, it draws its inspiration from an antique design. As a piece of re-engineered history, this gadget is built from scratch with modern materials and a sleek design. Additionally, MetMo Driver can handle as much weight as a baby elephant. Made for when your battery screwdriver can't handle screws, it fits in those tight, hard-to-reach spots. Drive anything, anywhere, as it works with any standard 1/4 bit. Overall, this practical tool is not only extremely useful but also fun to fiddle with. You'll enjoy using it every day. Number 3. OMNI USB Backup. Keep your prized memories safe with the fantastic OMNI USB Backup Thumb Drive. Choose from 4 capacities: 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB depending on how much you need to store. In total, the largest option holds up to 120,000 photos and videos. Thankfully, it also organizes them so you don't have to search through photo and video files to find what you want. With an easy-to-use design, it works when you simply plug it in and press go. Save, find, sort, and back up all your photos and videos in minutes. Furthermore, this convenient and secure gadget stores all your most important files right at your fingertips, so they're easily accessible when you need them. Yet you don't have to keep them on the cloud or your device, risking losing them. Compatible with all phones, tablets, and computers, the fantastic OMNI keeps your memories safe. Number 4. OEPLAY MusicStar5. Take your home decor and technology up a notch at the same time with the OEPLAY MusicStar5 powerful hi-fi speaker. Boasting a truly iconic design that'll turn heads, this timeless gadget has an elegant look that'll blend in with any space yet also stand out. Moreover, its expansive 3D sound stage completely immerses you with its incredible depth, bringing you into the middle of the movie scene or the concert. Additionally, its fully lossless audio playback lets you enjoy CD-like audio quality even via USB. Furthermore, the properly balanced bass without any distortion comes from its spherical sound box. This unique design balances bass sensitivity and power, producing an extended ground-shaking sound field. Beyond all this, it has a frequency range of 33 Hz to 55 kHz, recreating even the tiniest sounds with accuracy. So you hear lows, mids, and highs as you should. Number 5. VITURE One. Game anywhere with the VITURE One wearable gaming glasses. Boasting a 120-pixel free portable virtual screen, they have dual 1080p 60 fps 55 ppd lenses. Moreover, this cloud gaming gadget lets you enjoy AAA apps such as Stadia, Parsec, and Shadow, and titles like Elden Ring, NBA 2K, Spider-Man, The Witcher 3, and more. It also works with PlayStation, Xbox, PC Remote Play, and Switch. Only 78 grams, VITURE One has a heat-free design and boasts spatial sound for immersion. Furthermore, control it with your voice while you play games or watch movies via the 5G or Wi-Fi connection. Additionally, as a Google TV wearable device, it comes preloaded with streaming services and gaming platforms and supports Google Play. Not just a wearable tech product, this fashion accessory truly blends into your life to make it better. Finally, play or watch anything, anywhere. without anyone knowing on the VITURE One.